The price is high, so let's find a coupon. Installing Coopert now. Look, it's applying codes automatically, and the price just dropped by 50%.
Hello, come back again, and you can see here 50% discount, and I show you everything, nothing hidden. So now you can see the coupon here, you just add a coupon, or you can see here I will open new tab, and you can see I choose monthly or annual, and I have here add-on Coupet, and I set up the add-on before, and now just try the code, and you can see everything automatically. So I do nothing. This is my two hand, so I do nothing anymore. And you can see here some coupon is valid, some coupon no valid, and some coupon 15%, some coupon 30 and 50. So have a good day. You can text me WhatsApp here. You can see, yeah, you can text me WhatsApp or Messenger. I will help you to get the best coupon for your Zoom Pro. Bye. Hello, it's wonderful. You do not need to pay full for Zoom Pro. Every year you can save it by the coupon here. So when you come to homepage, you click to upgrade to Pro, and on your card you add coupon code, and here is very easy. You can hit the code you have. For example, we can save 15%, or I remove this code, and even I can save more. Here, almost $50. And even I can help you to pay less than $100 for Zoom Pro 1 year. So don't hesitate to text me, contact, and it will help you. Okay.